Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Mbadi ngoli kali konton kali bismillah kibaro network kanal badi ma pama nenga kibaro tombong kabondi mol bul mul yalon ko jabiro ke mola ka fumu ye korohi Jones Manjang minister leng ay nendri ba mu yalon kay wole ke United Democratic Party dingolla anila kebalu andum fana ila nyatom ko ko mole mu yalon ko man responsible kol mul yalon kay wole ke ka gouverneur ke bondi be do ko ke kan laminto ate rohi Jones Manjang be diamu ka wo kola ay taniroke ko UDP la keba mun keta Alhaji Ousainou Daboti ay ko leke mul yalon ko ani responsibility manta andum fana mul ya jabi minna albo fana be moyla jabiro nyin way mul yalon ka bota mol le bulu wolle be diamu kan menanga do woki baro kono kala moy ko mul yalon ko le faraje kali tento kali jeyi kal nimbaral nal badi malen pamane la baraka ba ci Allah mon kunyema
auzubillahi mina shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim yo assalamu alaikum bakar sana UDP mbali be kontana ñu til bulo la jam yo me forumo dingol be kontana yo dindin ke ba musuka fuke momo be jam mbali be kontana yo mbadi ngolu na minister dolla diamu ka moy ko foi ka fayne Rohi Jones Manjang Rohi Jones Manjang na minister dolla diamu ka moy ka faye for Rohi Jones Manjang nembang abe UDP kolu doya kan abe parti nen kan abe parti la nyaton kolu nen kan abe kumandin nen jango nyorla UDP alfal kan ani UDP fango abe Gambia dingol tonyen kan abe UDP kolu tonyen kan fenten fo palaso aning ateko ate barin nemu Adama Baroti so abe fintika na tabe nyimma abe badim fasala de nyimmantra ko koyno luway mellandi no mbe wole baka ani de nyimbe badim fasala aning ikala kambanu kilingom womu gofonolti ala kambano mobe ikono womu gofonolti ye melu bondi la nyin gofono ya palaso to ala kambano beje nyin Rohi Jones Manjang amammalu amasila kafoko keba ning atre machota imanya naka dunko dolu kono kamansa kundala tamandiri nyata ka kale keje wala ka kado keje yalo ngo wabe ba Ousainou la because ba Ousainou la nyin governor samba court so fo aduna Rohi yalo ni MPP ko le folo ka finti ka molu neng bar Gambia dingolu ni aja la nyim banko kan anisa ma sibote bonola je na afiki asiata wo banko kan bake alkasulo seletole jal buka jitoje MPP kol ka findina ne molu ne ni molu ne ni UDP kol be jokan isafo ko ha UDP kol le ben hendirola Rohi Jones Manja la diamo la modro ako UDP kol mu fitinan tungol le yalla ateto fola faye ko fitinan tungolem ata fola baye ko fitinan tungolem ako ntolla nyaton ko ning ata wo machotale fo Rohi Jones Manja ba fola faye ne a machotale fa ma machot ya Rohi Jones Manjang fo Rohi Jones Manjang nembang nsafo ko fo Rohi Jones lembang ata fola a faye ko machot amam machot because wole nyint ni aje UDP la alphabet nyimmolu sambala code ota amam machot le na machota donto non anyanta masa kunda sindilale ke kachandi ke diamundi fo taybo me Rohi Jones Manjang na fiko taybo me Adama Barrow be governor employ la KMC ngama fo banjun fana fa akije la ba I don't know but alabanta ñu governor flol me employ la ten fo UDP ko Rohi Jones Manjang atutulu wo sukitale bang tamo me UDP kol be Adama Barrow dandalale e kanyi menketa manka ni siloti e benyi governor employ kana pour que yeke political tools ti yeke la political tools yeke la political marchandise olti wala la political jorangolti pour ka politiko ke bari kanyi governor men employ KMC anim banyun anin silomanta in fact jawra fo ngata mo mbadi ngolo fo governor be jel mel ke bayata dukara alin hakilo bulandi bang because yalo jawra la mo sekundal tolta fu no lale ko na belo na maybe wotumo politiko on tolman dum ko no baake nsafo tolman dum politiko ko no because jawra la time on tolna man carte fay ntolla carte fayo folota ya jamela time ol 1996 UDP ntolle carte fayo dati UDP le 1996 ndol jawro la time ndol baka carte fay watu mon ndol mo dindingol la government governor la karola nyimanyina yaaje melo governor introduce wo banko kan bari jawro la time nyimanyine ka commissioner lemboy commissioner kawol lemboy bari ali hakilo blande because yalon hadama di weta belon no la so walantina kebalo melbe forumol kono tari ning ayatara jawro la time governor sototale non alien hakilo blande because ni governor ni ate no amasoto non ni yaaje me asamana ay samana na dron pour ka ala politico bambandi tundol to taring bari nyimmanyi na yaaje me la time wala ni governor data taka introduce ta bari governor ni be governor samal na masakunda kono e nyanta sambala ni silo ni satol tilungo ni tonya Gambia la constitutional la loi ya fo nyame nyanta barala la wala nyama ni man barala wo nyama ite tate fansun edi akije woto tebe banko marakay la nidi ya la fango la symbole la bari mantra banko dingol la constitutional takan ka banko marala naja arama barobe balanka akatete jila because Gambia la constitution kono 5 years lebeje akatete jila ngabra fanan sujita woto constitutional so governor fanan ke employ inyanta sujula constitutional la inyanta sujula Gambia la luwala itina droino ye hand picking ke konta la fakanyina ke governor ye ke political tools ti e wo tundol to pour que la political sementu yaje but Rohi Jones manja instead of atamalon ko luwala fango e nying muta pour akana ke luwala fango e nying kumandi pour akana ke kana governor tombo ngoy fango ni diala e be tamala lim banko la constitutional ya fo nyame ete nyanda tamala lim jella bar kali amel alon ko luwale bala do ko anu abe UDP ko lenkan nyim molu findita mol ye jo alisa foko UDP ko hena nendirola Rohi Jones manjamu minister ate nyanta diamala Gambia dimole horomo ni buñale kono bari tata findi la ita ka fo mole ko almu fitinan tungol leti alla ke ba ma machon ata même fola faye ata même fola baye ata même fola adama baroye Rohi Jones manjan kana ka wala fo UDP ko le anina alfaliye bari nyim moliye jo na fiki dingol se findi nan ka fo ko ha UDP ko le hande be Rohi Jones manjan nenka ari Rohi Jones manjan na diamo la moy ban kabra da dame fa enta dame fo nandirote je because nde alo noko Rohi Jones manjan ta fola faye ma machon ata fala baye mam machon ni loya da mam machon don no ay ni governor samba kiti yola kiti bumol ba fala na ni tonyante ye ni membe sa fe jang no don no tonyante no e be mun la e be government ne kele kan ngaban ka ni siloti governor adama baro ye employé ko la bare kabisa na luato luha me alon ko bele den dawo luala adama baro ay ni governor employé symbole kan ame employer ani silo kan walantinda luwa kaye ko arama baro yenyin tombondiro menke ima sambani silola janni luwa fango be pare layno itol silata do parab yela governor be wafundi dulal ye be wafoti je e ko tata dolle fananta kawol ko governor noto wo fanan ni luwa manta mbeba usenu advice la ni UDP nkolo ali wol fanan samba court because wo court Rohi Jones manjam fatante wo court a batante wo court adanga baro fanan batante wo court a fatante wo court because of ala kambano membe governor yala yewo bondije walantina ko batum fanan men diata nyeno fo UDP nkole ka finti ka molla alfal ne ite minister ite men kulu ime da kulu ikana findi janka fa mole ko nte bani fayen kulu nte buka nendirike ite wandi alfa nen because ite ta fole faye ko mamma chon ita fole baye mamma chon sa ite ka fa ko dabo ko na ata machotal do duno atenyin ko sambala kon abe adonga abe masakunda ko mandilale aya ay advice adonga baro be bawsir na advice moy la fo kabri ngaye governor employee KMC me alon ka nana manke ani yaaje be fo nana mawke banyun ani yaaje me fo nana mawke because ngamere banyun ay governor fo sindi wodo fana na connect kabri a felta nyin tundol beto in the name of politics akoko e batu na governor employee banni manke amanol soto mam meyol soto e batu na governor sambaje isaje sa political kenye andi wo governor ado barola jo atete wolu jola Gambia masakundala aranke so kono governor be jola wolto KMC ning that place banyun ani meli yalan ko be wesko so manya na taraje ke amano soto je ke amano soto je abanta meo soto je meo soto je abanta ale taxpayers la ko do safe barka governor fanan samana wo tundol to nyimmanyi nante mbadi ngolu ngamre yaaje mela nyin samana wo banko kan nyimmanyi na nti amra yaaje mela nyin introduce wo banko kan mbadi ngolu nyimmanyi na because hadama dum tenta be lono la nyimmanyi na ba jawrala time o fo governor be kerin na ban ni governor be kerin du ko alin hakilo bulandi because jawrala time o we were not in active politics by then we were young Bante amra jawrala time on tolka commissioner lembo nyimanyina yes because more sometimes when I kanyina but gamya de wolo ni rohi Jones manja ya loko luwale ni governor bondije ba useni banku digo dal ni te aje mansa kudabe kula me alonka ni luwa manta itete mansa kelendi nole e kata ni luwalto ba useni tanani luwalto amanta semboto atata ni luwalto pour ka tandi luwabu wala ko adama baroye ni governor men tombon tundol to taring ani luwa manta luwa ya ko kiskis imam adama baro fasa imam ba useni fasa ye luwale fasa bari yalo bengo lu toto wolo nola ikulu balima kanaka findi ka UDP kol nen ka fako wol mu fitinan tungol let nyine be mutaranga tol kono kabrin tamo men paral nata ba usen la korda ko foy baring adama baro atata mabo tabul da ko UDP kol lebe to nyandiro la wolon ko nyanta sio kuntu la jele fam ni ame ba fala UDP kol lebe to nyandiro e man adama baro fangole sio kuntu akana ke president wati kabrin tamo mo paral nata ba usen la korda ko fo adama baro bota dunta tabul da ko wolu adama baro lebe to nyandiro la rohi Jones manja rohi Jones manja kabrin tamo men paral nata ba usenu ya ka ba usenu nyol mutake arreske samba adama baro wo borta adunta tabu da kono wolum fanangi no UDP ko lebe fitinola ya jame be silola kande UDP ko lebe fitinola nte be danne woldo ibaring adama baro kabrin tamo men paral nata no ba usenu ya ba usenu ko nyin kese follow men bate mala ayate follow fa ala supportal wole tama koma yetaye solo sanem freo komandi dead or alive ning ayata solo sanem be baluring ya diala kendo ning ayata fata fana ya freo diala yetaye solo sanem sudura ye solo sanem be tonyandiro la ne Rohi Jones manja idingolo ala sa bondi bala because ebe UDP ko la freo la doya kan ya jame meli lipake fa wala kamelu fa tilimbali akono wala be tonyandiro la Rohi Jones manja because ko kabrin jamela time UDP ko la mu fitinantu ngolti alama alaya bondi bala alama ale kitio tikinitema ne samani alaya ite Rohi Jones manja ne samani alaya ne samani kilaya ala se kitio tete ni Gambia dingol tema Rohi Jones manja ala se kitio tete ni UDP kol tema Rohi Jones manja ntolla ka yaaje me tonye alla nyi adama baro la nyuma sakunda ko adama baro fa nan kawlo fo yete fo ngoy sai ko UDP kol la ka yaaje me tonye wala na tata ma ba tabul da ko mun na tata ma ba tabulo ko Rohi Jones manja ibari nyinin ka lugo me yaaje me na ta bawse la korda ko fa tata ma ba tabul da ko fo atele yaaje me tonye fo yaaje me la ta tonye Gambia dingolu aliamu le minister mumi wala ka diamu ten ka UDP kolu neng ka UDP kolla alfal neng abe kulubali ya diamola abe malbali ya diamola because abama kulu wa fama kulu ka finti ka fuko UDP kol mu fitinantungolta ata fala famu fitinantungolti ata fala ba mu fitinantungolti bar ka finti nan ka fuko UDP kol mu fitinantungolti ka brin jambela time to la ka fitinoke membe fota TRRC yo mu wuliyaleti TRRC ketalde jana commission o ketale UDP ko ka kodu tinyame fo jamela karola ngamra a fenta TRRC le a wanyata TRRC le andi bari na wo commission lo ibari na wo commission o nyaton kaya ana ngabaro TRRC jana commission fo ne bari na nyi commission fulol be nyaton kaya because ala white paper la banta tele blokon woto atele be wo commission o lu nyato so TRRC membe fota je UDP ko tatale testify de je fo aliamela ko UDP kol fana nyanta APRC kol bolo selal because nane nyin ke APRC kol alne taw melen bari ko itol sulata jammela la kasama court TRRC ye wala fo woto ete mu wulolti yo dul kat nga rohi Jones Manjang because yo musulo dega TRRC mune UDP dafa wara ut ñaan wala dafa wara ut balal aka si APRC man dégg ma wolof waaw dafa wara dem mu ut aka wala mu ut aka malam fay ka fo la ñam mu ut aka si APRC because na mala be suru aka wal fo kam because malam fo ak wole matiba malo ha bari TRRC me foje ima fo ko UDP ko leta e APRC ko bolo seda wala yaajame ko bolo seda e ko yaajame len toñandiro ke TRRC wala fo e ko yaajame len toñandiro ke ay politicianol men victimize anyante compensate lal wala tina yaajame la dol fo be je wafi andi bari nebe o nyaaton ka yakande ite wulu musuding ite rohi Jones Manjang ibari nebe o commission o nyaaton kaya kande itata yaaje me fawla dula dolu wafile kay ka political victim will compensate o political victim wolu majority of them ning kemelem asid la tankononto nin kononto be mo UDP ko led ke compensate ngamere wo fanan no soto dal yaaje me la fawo dol be je ye wafi ye political victim wolu compensate le woto UDP ko anu wo TRRC la wala man to nyaaf jana commission na man to nyaaf kadi UDP ko kabula yaaje me no mo la corruption no wala ni yaaje me man dia yaaje me time o ni yaaje me dunta nyola wala ni adama baro fanam be nyola wala ntol ma fu ko adama baro na konne bar adama baro kam masakunda sama nyame ko yaaje me la time o ni yaaje me kam manyo e nyame adama baro fanam naka manyo e wala nyama because afana nanyu masakunda ko na telephone ko corrupta yaaje me la masakundati rohi Jones Manjang je yaya jemele time o tinyaro men beketa jano commission ya banke ko naful tinya yaya jemele time o niyo men be kasarata hadama dingo men be tilimbaliata ibarim fawna ne kada victime ota dunta tabulo koto abota dunta tabulo koto wobe UDP ko lebe to yandiro la Gambia dingo lebe to yandiro Roy Jones Manjang bari ne samani alaya anala kila ifintite be UDP ko lu nenkan iben tonyenka ibe kangol la kan tolla ne samani alaya anala kila alama aleye nyun kulubali akumo men bondi da kono aleye jo na be jo la fanan ye tenkere ye malu dunia be tema ite Rohi Jones Manjang because ye finditale kan alfal neng kan na wululal neng UDP tolla bamañol nim famañol lebeje mininda dol be mu fitinantugol leti ina nyatan ko men fa e ka fa ba Ousainou Darboe o fana mu fitinantugol de ite ko wol mu fitinantugol leti wala ka dimba mala wo banko kannun ya jame wo everything ake UDP ko la ya jame wo right na nyatan ko e kama machot ye wala fo la diamo ko na ali Rohi Jones Manjang na diamo la moy bang fali abang Rohi Jones Manjang na diamo la moy fali abang ay wala fo je ite findite de kam molu neng ila molu nendiro ko la ka fo Gambia di wala ko ndete mo ne na ka tan de ba ma nim fama man kulu nendirol ite bani faye kulu nondirol la fo ministre jumal be findira me alon ka machonta kanyim kuma sifa fo political party political opponent la aliti alon ko Gambia la place o le beta bulu nyanta wo place o la horoma bari ite fo ma Gambia di wala horoma wala tine ka diamu Gambia di wol kanten I horomanta yata ko adama baro fo be horomanta yari nyame no wonder aton lebe bola DNA killing ite Gambia dingol na ye UDP ngol ne ka ko haye nalo ne ben nen nale ite ben tolu nenkam ite ma expect control fana ben jolal ifo na nyanta expect la jela ko ite ben tolla alfal nenke ite ben tolla parti nenkan ndolla o parti ndol bañol nim fañol lebe o parti nyin kono ite ka findi ite ka UDP ngol nen e kana ka ko nalo ne be findi le ben nen nale because nta bama wonim fama wol man ta kulu nendiro la nalo ne tolbe findi la aka boko en tol fana yen tol kulu nendiro le me tol kulu nendiro la nkale nyi kulu bali akumo mele Rohi Jones Manjang me fo kan Gambia dingol li ale ni horomante ya ko momele ate men fola faye ate men fola baye aka wala fon tolla alfali kon tolla alfali mo futinan tungol leti je TRRC men be fota je jane commission men be fota je ndonni yaaje me ka dunyola walla ka molu tilimbale ka molu fa ka banko di walla nafulol sunya sanyim wonni fulo kono korda keme korda feng korda tansa banim feng ay kaya wala soto jambe nafulo wote fola nama UDP kol ka wala fono o fitina bondo leti because ibarim beje bi wala fago haramu ta corruption wala karola ka tambi yaaje mela UDP kol bo kala kili wala say be UDP kol categorize la has wala bo fitina tugolde bar lungo me ibarim na duta fago frijo fago sa dayela dunje ba usenu la korda kono kato frijo me alon ko o fago me alon ko ata kunno la je ada boro na tambi do wala ba usenu la frijo me fago bala bunko abe konekrin kuranga kuranga bala abe jerna pour ka dunje ka fago niyo se bari ko tabul da kono kabra akunduta man tafo ay fel tabul da la kono wolu ko fala UDP ko lebe to yendirola rohi jones manja abaraka ne barin toliye samani alaya ndol ma foy kana findiye politiko kede bari politiko ni ba kale ba sambala horomo ni bunyal ndol ya fo gambia dingole wala na UDP na atol men ka finti ka fo ko UDP ko al nendiro bula al UDP dingol bula UDP dingol bu kan nendirke UDP ko mu julu jolal leti al nawo kuma sifal bondin da ko because ni minister mo me o jibe aka finti aka menfo ndol bañol nim fañol lebe nyum pati kono ndol la nyaton ko ndol ya horomale na bunya nini ka findi ka fon dolla nyaatan ko mamma codo walantina ka maten ka masakunda distract ndol masakunda distract kan masakunda le fango ba fan distract kan gos ni luwatinya banko digol yalan ko luwatinya ibe nyinin kala le munanti ne ye nyinke ni me dan ko ibe samola luwala le kabrin time ma be o gofo le employ la KMC ni banyu UDP ko ya fayna ama UDP ko la ko momoy because ako atelen so called clueless president of the power battle block because I call for Moleko at the time police at the time governor. So Gambia di wolunkali mo minister mume wala ka diamote Rohi Jones manja a fintita UDP call neng bari ni UDP call be jokandro isen na fi call moy sama wala janni wularo ha UDP call be ndro UDP call be ndro ani Rohi Jones manja ta fula fama ya amamma chodde Rohi Jones manja ta fula bama ya amamma chodde Rohi Jones manja ta fula abaye ko amu fitinan tungolti de Rohi Jones manja ta fula faye ko amu fitinan tungolti ani ado ngabaro be ni state house lungo be fitino nyorla na kiyamano lukan na meyo lukan adama baro Rohi Jones majanta folo wo horomantak adama baro ko am fitinan tungolti bari UDP ko tol bañol nim fañol ninna leadership ka finti ka fo wol mu fitinan tungolati wala ka yaaje me toñam fan kabri yaaje me la taymo UDP ko ni yaaje me ni APRC ko kelta lay tata ko bari ani yaaje me la wo taymo jojol ya folo ko yaaje me la mo len toñandiroke wote la aliun jaime alon ka fata chamo e bridge ya jamela mollen toñandiroke ye UDP ko la alfal bula court e koy fritale ay yela case fay banta alum njay fota niola wo kamfa wala ya jameta kawo jojol ta kebe bay ngamra alam hasibo fon folota wol imagine no 2016 ala fa jojol la man na jojol so fatata emergency jojol la bonne fo Ghana la fo Nigeria le mbam wol na tan ko Gambia dingol mo wol danko ECOWAS mo wol danko EU mo wol danko ikata kela ya jabe boytala bari alim jala case walantine ye ba usenu nyolta ye kitindi bari luwaye mu ne fo ani time be dictatorship be kandiri e ko APRC ko len tonyandiroke Rohi Jones manje to fola de ito fola de bari ba fula luwa fo ka men fo ite kana ko de ke ka fo ani de luwa e men fo luwa man tonya fo UDP ko le be tonyandirola kan TRC iko UDP ko le ye wolle tonye ye wolle victimize jana commission ya folo ko UDP ka men be fo no tonyalem ya jame mo la ko do sunyale kitiyo men keta Aliou Ndiaye APRC ko tema ni UDP la alpha tema ni na UDP party dingol tema wo kitiyo ya jame fo ngoy jojol me employee ko APRC ko le bota UDP ko kam ni ata UDP ko le bota wo dontunu UDP ko la boyda dodo ani sa to lañi leadership be selo kono bari yaaje me fa wala jojol ko ani ye UDP ko blessé so kono APRC ko la UDP ko toñe UDP ko bu ka toñe ndiroke because ntol ya fale na fam tolla patiyo mu sansandi mbolo mbalde ni man tol mambu kamma muslima hakkangol lebeje ntolli hadama di wala nyat hakolon ne ntolla leader mu loyalty human right loyal mun tolla loyalty wala tina bakala fi moy moto nyen wala tina wata ba fala UDP ko le ko ali bambu luwa ko ma luwa le ka banko samba wala tina ni na tata code dal so da nal sita code la sira ngokan atol nanata boyla UDP la wala tina 2021 election petition no almanso na si tablo kan kitio e continue because ali ala no ko ninni continue ta kitio la do nyul bem boendi lale walantina asanjalo na la bandiyolu ye na fento ta ya fay banda na petition ta ya fay banda because ali ala no ko evidence wol nimmen tata court wo alte kanala mol bul no bari rohi jones manja ne samani alaya anala kila iben na alfal nenkan iyem na alfal nengen na leadership ne ye parti dingol be neng ye gambia dingol tonyen ne samani alaya in the name of dirty politics albe menke kan adama baroye dol ma fal kana politiko ko banalbe politiko kala ali asaba tilngoni tonyala mbadi ngol mbedda na jam donc la tawato sita bari nyim musunni ngon kali ajala be UDP ko lu nenkan bari ndin tol finditan tol yenjo gambia dingo ka sulo sele tole ja abuka sulo jitoje isafo ko UDP ko lebe aranga barola minister nen ka atara minister la folo findita kan tol la leadership nen kan alfal nen bari na samani alaya ala baraka bake
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My fellow Gambians, mbaden Gambian olo, sumamboki Gambian, musiba Gambian nawe. Al be kilen na konton al tol nal jamundan timal yo kay nga rohi jon la audio la may. Ay kuma nonsense jamal fo kuma nonsense jama ma fala rohi joni ko rohi joni te de ite nyandale yede politico ite nyandale yede ya ku jamal le fojang you know ya ku jamal le fojang ibulata molla ye mol neng anite fong mamere ye mol neng. That's what you think, because monekata imandia mono, you don't know how to talk, you don't know what words are, so you got to keep quiet. Itenyantali ye de because ye dia mbeke yake surwa kona ndanga dia mbeke mbakela mande ka angalo do faye. Okay, you should be quiet, you should keep quiet. Like I said, you have to keep your mouth shut. Get a key and keep it, because ite mumbe faja even ibe diamu kam muye wayaro na exactly ibe mum fokang anim fani manna. It doesn't make sense, it's all stupidity. I know you ite la family ndel ngolon ne iboda bansanne ndel be boda bansanne, so you got to keep quiet. Okay, ite nyante delale diamu mambete teto ite manyan na ka diamu ni ite diamu tarek ni mol diamu ta abe tinyalale. You should be quiet, you should keep quiet. Jumalman John family lom Bansang, who don't know John family in Bansang, don't make people talk. Okay, ite nyante diamu bulalale ite bulata janne you know ibulata ye alpha nenjanne foy kono fada tep ikatalia nendir buka kije ngani yen senker kendu de saga fo why si yo saga nga kelifa fini sisa wa danko saga danga take one person you are talking about here. Okay, one person, and without that person's family, you and your family will not be in Bansang. Let's come to that first. Okay, without that guy's family, that elderly statesman's family, your family will not be in Bansang. Rohi, we have to know how to talk. Nyandal nambe diamole nyameng. You know, words are very heavy. When you take it out, they're just like a missile. Okay? Ite nyante delale, ite manyana ka diamo mambit, ite manyana ka diamo. Ite nyante delale, we all know who Rohi John is, and we know the John family. I personally, I know you. And And you got to be quiet, because if you don't be quiet, like I said, this is not like threat, but it's a warning to you. If you don't be quiet, when I come next time, next time I'm gonna explode, and ning explode abekele kubalti, because ibe futurine. You know you are married, so be quiet. Roy John, when it comes to politics, it ain't de delal. And never diam la fanang, diam as a very civilized, and a, easygoing person, you know what I mean? But kana na jang yafe we mol haste, keba iko man kenendirote. Because it another ye kuo kundin for an elderly person near comparison of other elderly people. Iba haskane. Anu, itama wo daso do pruka has. Even Adam Barrow, barring Adam Barrow, amo da soro proko mari has o kafem fire, because o mari lota munkanya atel bejang atel be mumbe Gambia. Even Adam Barrow la dad abijele bari yemuneke, did they do anything? Itele muneke Gambia atel la family ale muneke Gambia muyalanko inam ay Gambia na fale. Tell me Rohi John, atel la family, Adam Barrow la family, ale muneke Gambia muyalanko is a benefit of the Gambia and the Gambian people. Tell me that. Tell me that. Tell me. So that's why you're supposed to be quiet. If you don't do that, you're going to destroy your own family image, and people will know your family image. Because Gambia, you don't do nothing for Gambia. Ikweka Halifa Sallah ni wala. You compare Halifa Sallah, so which means Halifa Sallah is a good son of Gambia than that person. We're killing. That alone is an insult. It's a big insult. It's a big insult. But no, ite la family ite imatel kuluni nendirola. But now you've insulted somebody just by wording out a word. You don't know how to even talk. Wala ke unko ko nyantali ye de. Ite nyantali ye de Rohi John nyantali ye de. Nyantali ye de because ni me de wallahi ibelola Gambe naked. Trust me. Ani fututale. So you have to be quiet. You got to be quiet. You don't have no mouth against that guy. That person is better than any person in your family. That person has done more in the Gambia than you plus Halifa Sallah and any other person, Adam Barrow, anyone that you believe in. You know it. Them people, they know it. And when it comes to that person's, that elderly statesman's family, they do better for the Gambia than your family did, than Adam Barrow's family did, than any other person's family did that you believe in. So I think it's better you keep quiet and don't talk about that person. Itaman dasoto puruka diamu in the Gambia here. No, when it comes to politics, you have to be quiet. So you got to mind your words and know how to talk. If you cannot talk, get a key and keep your mouth shut. Because if you don't do, I have worse than B-52s that I know about you and your family. So be quiet. Be very, very careful and be quiet. Keep yourself the way you are keeping yourself. I'm not going to come here and insult you, but I'm telling you, you said atella family alboka nendiroke, but itelotal je elderly statement ta ya neng dunia be nyala on air, but ko atel ya atel boka nendiroke hani idoma e buka neng. Ngamere nyina te idoma ke olal. Ejina ta olal. Idoma ke nyina ta olal. The same badge. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. Okay? You have to be careful. You choose them very carefully, because if you don't, you're gonna put yourself in a deep water, you know what I'm saying? And when that happens, the whole Gambia will know you. Like the way you are quiet, keep yourself like that. Because it be against it know about the same side also. and wala family ye tolon no comme ye bulol lon nyame ye mun lo la family to fay malo e faulto because nde I know you, probably you don't know me, and I don't want you to know me, but I know you, I know your brother, I know your brothers, I know your sister, I know everyone in your family. So you got to be quiet. Nendiro iko nendiro atel buko kalia wolente jahal. That really baffles me. It baffles me. It baffles me, man. Ngamara sign on the now. Albokan Rogan and Hana now it can Rogan because science and but elderly state man Nenkang. Okay, I will come back. Okay, na second audio. Rohi John for Rohi John Manjan Nambang. Rohi John, like I said, itaman word so they for itaman diamo found no. When you come to, being a good student, a teacher, you're talking about governors. Why are you contradicting yourself? Eko governor will governor sign the will bail a master's degree sort but before Biriya Jamme Bijang, governor do be old man Karamfang. Or as a deputy governor do be old man Karamfang. But funny nyamo jabang. And who are you referring to here? Who are you referring to? You referring to who? You referring to UDP and Usainu Dabo. That's what. Those are the people that you refer to because wale nying government ya samba code because of their carelessness, they are clueless, govern of our country. So iteko war is unnecessary. Unnecessary. Wala kena in the Gambia we have loads of how do you call it again? Like albal fan de ma kanne, albal fan san kanne, atel be adam boroba albal fan san kanne, and then mumbije abe through warlon, through corruption, through the ways of unrealistic way of selecting people whom that they don't have the criteria to be in that position, because we've seen it a lot in the Gambia. So you don't care, for select in the right way or not. So if they take them to court, which means they're trying to distract the government from doing what does the government really do in the Gambia? Communicate. What are they doing? What good are they doing for the Gambia? Tell me one good thing that the government of the Gambia did in the Gambia by themselves. Tell me. Namanke ya jamela doku koroldi. And non-governmental organization ya mulke and the ya tole faunla. What else? Tell me. So you'll have to let a governor select or assistant governor, whatever, vice governor, whatever they call it, in a way that a man can siloti. So near Samba court in order to change the war in a distraction all day. And then that's where you come to insult Hussein Dabo and UDP by saying that, this is why you like Halifa Saleh, because as a wakasafero like a ten. So Hussein Dabo and UDP should write, especially Hussein Dabo, because as an elderly state person, what he did was wrong to take them to court. So he's supposed to write and advise the government. Are you freaking kidding me? Or are you alive, or you dead, or you stupid? Because like Robert Mugabe said, a stupid person is like a dead person. Because once someone is dead, they don't know they're dead. The pain is on their relatives. It's the same as a stupid person. When they did stupidity, they don't know they did stupidity. So the pain goes to those people they did the stupidity to. So Hussein Dabo should write a letter and advise the government. You are a crazy woman, you know. You're crazy. And I think you have a concrete block in your head. Your skull is, you don't have no brain. Even if you have it, it's as small as, even if you have a brain, it's as small as an ant. John, you should be quiet. You should be quiet. Gambia protocol because you don't, like you said, it could jawra at a time where you don't know it. You know what I mean? And you cannot say a lot about jawra time. It is ya jamana time all long. So it's a dictatorial time where it all long. Okay, so you have to be quiet. And during that time, the only person who stood firm for that person is this man, Hussein Dabo, that you trying to, belittle here and then talk rubbish about him and then make him somebody who is not a good son of this country, the Gambia. That is a big insult. That is a big insult, and that's what you said. Abela Odiokona, I wrote everything that you've been saying, so you cannot deny that, and people are listening. Molbe Lamekane. No, I'm not gonna come and insult you, or people come and, but I have a right to insult you, to insult even the forefathers, but I am not like that. Like you said, it's a family kono, but I know the family that you come from. Nito ko even idoma imanya na kafenketen. I know your brother. I know your brother very well, man. I know your family very, very well. I live, almost 200 meters away from your house. You know what I'm saying? So you cannot say anything that I don't know about your family. And when it comes to yourself, you have to be quiet, because if not, when I lay it out, ninga na bukol yele jang, wallahi ikema be banetulo. So be quiet. Ita man fenno soto nyanta mum fola, Kafuko ha, as an elderly person, you have to be patriotic, blah blah blah, this and that and that. For what reason? Ibe diamna like that to a person, muyalonko, it can be your dad, not even because Hussein Dabo don't let siatiti. Hussein Dabo brother so let siatiti. I don't even, come on, man. You should know better. You should know better. Ela uncle fundere na ko akala dad long. So which means, Hussein Dabo can be even your granddad. It can be even your mom's dad. And you acting like that. You talking to him like he's nothing. Iba caricature, iba animal compare la, you calling him, somebody who may know that amala country kano. Niela country kano ibe nyine kela. Yale tamalo omunendiroldi. You didn't even know what you're saying in there. Because ni you dipin call fundada nang, ye blast, ye banning, you deserve it. You absolutely deserve it. Ya deserve it. Yeah, ya deserve it. So, enyantala ye hakilo to back it. Yente hakilo to the back. Yente hakilo to the back, because until ngelon, ndelngelo mbakele ha keba inami ite tadomo aboko ne tabiro ke ite tadomo foi pareta mol ko bine tadomo la yebankota yakije. Just imagine that kind of words from your mouth, you little bitch. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that. You can't do this guy has done more for this country than your whole family. For example, for you, tell me, it's a selection of I don't care about selection. It care about selection of governors, because number one, you take a governor that you don't have the criteria. Tell me, what criteria do you have, Rohi John or Rohi John Manjang? It is criteria to be a governor for the first place. Tell me. Funamanka Arambaro ba badun taka be sansanka afan la inamin. Ite mun criteria soro. What criteria do you have? What criteria do you have? Biri Bekele governor, where were you working? Allahu Akbar. Biri Bekele governor, ibe do kola no mintole. Tell people about that. Biri Bekele governor, ibe do kola no mintole. This is why it is care, you know, your governor select nyame because it la selection it no keda nyame. Rohi John, it not a nyade like a minister, a full minister of a country. How did you come to be? How? How? It in million years, it you will not have any government with a serious government, Rohi John, it is even back and the Gambia. Especially what a governor and then a minister for that matter. This is why you're not gonna care. It a care because it not a nyame really even in dol fong wala criteria sort of better than you. But Gambia, we want free and fair of everything, you know, that people do back home. But how can you just put somebody in a position where they you know, they're not fit in that place? Fit them. Why would you put them in there? And in the right way. So they should not take them to court. They should advise them, blah, blah. Where did you see that? Where? Ikamola advise Muyalong Ko, you know, say he wants to do good for the country. He is planning to do better for the country, to change the country from, you know, a bad situation to the best situation, you know, so, but not from a good situation or from a bad situation to a worse situation. That's what Adam Barrow is doing. Your uncle, I can say our uncle in codes. Come on, you know, Ngela Audio Lamai is all about insulting, you know, statement, elderly statement, Mulyalanko, they did good for the country. Yeah, Halifa Saleh, if you like Halifa Saleh, that's fine. That's fine, but don't make comparisons saying Halifa Saleh, Munka Munke, that's the way of a good son of a country. So this one, what he did, that's not the good way of a good son of a country, no. You see, emandiamo no. So that's why I'm telling you, be careful next time. Don't come out. Don't come out the way you come this time. You don't come out. I'm just brushing on top, you know what I mean? Just to let you know that, listen, man, there are people who know you, and you know, you are not the kind of person, me yalanko, itinyantele kaloka usenda bota ka belittle ka neng. And that's what you did. Namanke Usain Dabola family de etete sila num Bansang. You will not be in Bansang. That's the reality. A lot of people in Bansang will not be in Bansang without, you know, Bakar Dabo's, you know, how to call it, settlement in Bansang. And most of you came, people give you land for free. You know, so atanyante delala aletonya fo. And what is Adam Barrow doing that's beneficial for the Gambia and the Gambian people? Tell me. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know, absolutely nothing. Ye bora sisa umdajanne. Ya detain ye cool be kala. Ela broda tata janne court. Bora tata court janne. Aya win. Yejola diala ila brother tata court janne according to, you know, Adam Barrow win ay muna sang korda famula building farafenya. So, you know, we know what's going on. We just be quiet. Mole ndata la kola la mofo. But don't come out here and want to belittle Usain Dabo. Don't do that. Ka neng ka belittle. Don't do that, because if you do that next time, wallahi, I'm telling you, man, and Niamel Nyamutrete is not a Mbe one kind of, because next time you come out, I know a lot of people Mulyanko Yelom Bansang Dabu Kunda Siye Kunda Yelon very well. Yelon very well. Okay? So Anila Kamban Kodol Hansai be alive. So be careful. be careful. Rohi John, I know you very well. So be extra careful. Do not try to, talk to our brother, our father, our uncle, our cousin in a way that you should not. Don't do that. Don't do that, because this man will never say even a single wrong word about your family. Until we will do if you do it to him. We will do. I personally, I will do. I will do. So be careful. Niman careful, wallahi. I see you in a boiling water. I see you kuma jaman la fajang. I don't want to go through all that, so but I'm just choking you, so that you know exactly what's going on. Because you don't have the quality. My quality, so even if people heard you, I'm saying, the way you talking, you don't have the quality to be, a sheep herder, especially being a minister, for that matter. When I heard you are a governor, I was flabbergasted. I was so shocked, man. I was shocked. Adam Barrow ba fansan kanning ala family lala. What quality do you have? What quality do you have? You don't have no quality. No quality. You should tell people, janieke governor de do ko la min dole.
Yo mbadi ngol mbeli ya moy kumol mul yalan ko le fota Bakar Sane ani modo mu yalan ko le diamuta mbebe tentula ke jayi nyinem fondinke kende yati ni amoy ila alfa e kumo fa munin silo manta kajafiri jawla karola ne nindilla kala lay finti diamu yemul lonje Bakari ya baraka baci dana kanti lafta min fola Bakari wolefu wallahi Rohi Jones ngalonko no matter what happen irresponsibility aje usen daboto aba fatula nda mafo billahi wallahi wa ta'ala feo fen Rohi Jones ya je ko ate ay woleje usenu daboto wole muyati na diamuta ko man responsible ay mun tambita wala si nyake me aba fatule anda man fen fodi nyine muto nyati fulanjamo wele jon la diamo mu mebe ku danta wol bi je mul yalan ko mol nyante hakilo to je Rohi Jones ala diamo kono akate yalo ne ko iba nennale iba banennale ya fane mbadi mulu ninte kana diamo ngalon kon kala nyin diamo mun ke banendiro ni fanendiro be lari nga ko man takela andu mune fanan at the first place mune batin la ninte la diamo nkana mun diamo ngalon kon kana to nyal fo ngalon kon kana nkana mun fo bankola nyato talen andu banko dingol la kairolen mune batin ambe miralo kela ko more on negative response than a positive response. Mune ati na Rohi Jones ya miracle iba bani nade. Because bani ndiru kumu ay wolefu. Fani ndiru kumu ay wolefu. Bani ndiru kumu ay woleke. Ni alon kon kana molla alfa le doya. Ifo nyanta alona ko tonte fanana alfa isa doya nole. Nyine ati na ko ati Rohi Jones ko alon ko iba bani nade. An Rohi Jones wol mun bebe la ringa ko nyin ko man kan Dakar muye andi telka hani kafo ila nyindia mutata nata bigotri da malbiye si ko damma e kanyim mu be fa ma fo usenu ma parce que mo fi ngole mati ama fa ma parce que amal londo stode bara ya faale aya fa male parce que mandin ko le mati ya jen kan Dakar muye ni me hakdo tum ben dalo la wole kam ko wi telephone ka kenyamen United Democratic Party man ki mandin ka patiti usenu dabo man ki tribalist. But more Murialon ko they are with this tribalism mentality. Wole multi Murialon ko be banko dun kam masibo Murialon ko ba kono bi e ka dunda kon. And then the saddest part is they take a huge responsibility ka lebulo ko. Nyin Rohi Jones mun diamu taten. Nyin koda a good housewife at Keno lati much more of a minister of a state. Billah wallahi wa tallahi. Ngam nyin Rohi Jones mun moya diamuta. Nying ndela koda ko nate keno la je musu kendoti much more ay ke minister in a state ni aje ngaw fonko ala diamo is very divisive, very very disrespectful. Momu yalon ko muso ini la fano e kalono e ka alfa doya mu yalon ko e fa fulango le mati wale mama fulango publicly wo musolti mu yalon ko mo nyante hakilotu lato. But this is all that they can do. And this is keno baroye pour yela position li ya maintain no. Bari kanyum mum be fo useni fanan e ka fo useni le pour ka baro kontanendi. Meta fola moniele. Nko ya jameni usenu tema respect ko beje. Bari baroni usenu tema respect. This is their difference. Mbe mura na nying mbe akwo nying kachar on a live program. Inshallah mbe okeda Rohi Jones la audio be mba play la molie mba kachandi la molie mbe molla mo la state minister mu yalon ka finti openly to go after a political party leader. Ka tento kal yayi kal nimbara annal badi malem pamane la barka ba jala la mo kunyimala.